The merger between Fiat Chrysler Automobiles and PSA Group aimed to forge an automotive powerhouse, yet it resulted in chaos, particularly undermining Jeep's brand identity. This disconnect has left fans confused about the brand's future direction. Over the past 5 years, substantial price increases have alienated loyal Jeep customers, many of whom feel betrayed. This strategy has directly contributed to a notable decline in both net income and sales volume. In addition to pricing challenges, Jeep is grappling with severe quality control issues, leading to numerous embarrassing recalls. Such problems further tarnish the brand's reputation and erode customer trust. An investigation by the NHTSA unveiled that thousands of Jeep vehicles harbored dangerous defects, raising serious safety concerns among consumers. This prompted substantial recall actions. Moreover, leadership instability within Stellantis has led to inconsistent strategies that confuse customers and employees alike, complicating Jeep's brand identity. Frequent management changes foster uncertainty about the brand's trajectory. Stellantis's ambitious shift towards electric vehicles involves significant investments in retooling plants for EV production. However, industry insiders express skepticism regarding the effectiveness of this strategy. This transition to electric vehicles has also resulted in production challenges, including layoffs affecting nearly 2,450 employees, thereby causing unrest within the workforce. Such developments risk further deteriorating relations with unions. Competitors like the Ford Bronco are seizing opportunities from Jeep's vulnerabilities, offering off-road capabilities and modern features that resonate with adventure seekers. Jeep's declining sales figures underline the urgency of reclaiming its brand identity. Ongoing quality issues at Jeep have necessitated numerous recalls, which continue to undermine consumer trust. Recent recalls involve nearly 1 million vehicles due to software glitches impacting vital safety features. Stellantis faces scrutiny over its management practices, including reports of cutting corners to meet production targets. This raises concerns about the long-term sustainability of its manufacturing processes. The ramifications of these recalls on Jeep's brand image are significant, as customers grow increasingly wary of the vehicle's reliability. This skepticism has led to a substantial year-over-year decline in sales figures. The workforce is feeling the pressure from layoffs and restructuring during this shift to electric vehicles. Union leaders are advocating for improved communication and job security for employees. Senator Rebecca Miles has criticized the bailout for rewarding mismanagement and failing to address the fundamental issues confronting Stellantis and the industry. This viewpoint underscores the need for more responsible corporate governance. Jeep struggles with its brand identity, trying to cater to both luxury buyers and traditional off-road enthusiasts, which creates confusion among its loyal customer base. This identity crisis severely impacts both sales and brand perception. Stellantis is entangled in legal challenges, including class action lawsuits related to vehicle defects and investigations into emissions cheating, both of which could inflict significant damage on its reputation. These legal troubles further compound financial strain on the company. CEO Carlos Tavares has warned of a potential industry bloodbath stemming from aggressive pricing strategies. This caution may be contributing to Stellantis losing market share to competitors like Tesla. Stellantis recently reported a considerable drop in net income, signaling serious financial difficulties. Analysts are voicing concerns over the risk of bankruptcy as sales continue to decline. In response, new leadership is pursuing a turnaround through price cuts and the introduction of new models focusing on electric and hybrid vehicles. Recent sales upticks provide a spark of hope, yet the sustainability of this turnaround remains uncertain.